If you are blogging and you want to make your life a whole lot easier keeping track of the blogs that you have written or that you want to write in the future, I this is the video for you. This is a little time consuming to do this to get it all set up, and you're going to want to pay attention. I will link a blog down below so that you can actually go to my blog post and follow it through step by step if you're more of a visual person and you want to read it instead of seeing it in a video format. But I'm going to walk you through it. Now, in order to do this, you have to have your Notion to-do list set up. So what I'm going to have you do is, if you have not already done that, go back and watch the other video and I'll link it below. That's going to walk you through exactly how to set up your to-do list, and then come back to this video and then you can watch how to set up your blog. Now, the first thing I'm going to have you do is you're going to create a new page, and this new page is going to be a database. I'll just select an empty database. Now, I'm going to name this completed blogs. That's the first thing. Now, if you already have a database of your completed blogs, you're going to go to that database. And this right here, these are all of the blogs that I have created for independentteacheracademy.com. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to download this as a .csv. Then I'm going to come back into my Notion and my completed blogs, and I am going to merge with a CSV, and I'm going to choose the file, but I'm going to create this file. I'm going to merge this file into Notion, and then I'm going to map the CSV headers. It's going to put everything in here that I have put in here. If you have not done this, what I would recommend doing is creating a name, a date, and the URL. And the reason that you want this is if you have to come back and look for a blog to reference somebody to. So I want to find the rate calculator. I have that right there. You can also do it on your actual WordPress site as well, but this comes in really handy when you want to link back to other blogs that you have written in the past and you want to hyperlink things. You can easily find it. You can see when you've done your blogs, and you can also see, as I'm about to show you, the blogs that you still have to do. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this completed blogs and I'm going to duplicate it without content. And I'm going to rename this to blogs to write. I'm also going to come over here and I'm going to create a button, and I'm going to rename this button done, or submit, or transfer. Transfer data is a good one. And then I'm going to edit the automation. First action, I'm going to add this page to select your data source, completed blogs. I'm going to remove this property, and the name is going to be there. So I'm going to move this property's name. URL. The URL is going to move. And then the date is going to be whatever date. So I'm going to do the date triggered. So now I'm going to create a new page, and this is going to be called, I'm going to call this how to create a to-do list in Notion. And I'm going to have the URL be notion.com just to test it out here. And I'm going to transfer the data. You can see the data has been transferred. I can come over to completed blogs, and you can see that this blog is being marked as completed. Now, we're going to delete it because the blog is completed. Now, because I didn't actually do this, I'm just going to delete that. Now here comes the fun part. So we're going to come over here, we're going to add a property, and we're going to add a relation. We're going to relate this back to your ITA to-do list. So your to-do list, whatever to-do list you have, and you're going to make it a two-way relation. Add your relation. Now come into your ITA to-do list. Now you're going to add a blog. And you're going to see here that it has blogs to write. There's no results there. So let's think of some blogs that I want to write. So I'm going to write a So these are some of the tutorials, or these are some of the blogs that I can be writing. So now I'm going to come back over to the to-do list, and I'm going to create this. So maybe I want to do a Notion setup for online teachers. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to select that page. And this is my to-do list. So on my to-do list now, I now have a blog, and it's telling me exactly what blog I have to write. So you can go through and you can put your whole list of ideas for blogs that you're going to write, and you could put them all, you could schedule them all out, what blog you're going to be writing on what day. Once it's done, you're going to hit in here, www, here, I'm just going to write test. I'm going to write test on all of them. Okay. And I'm just going to transfer the data, transfer the data, transfer the data. And now I'm going to go through and I'm going to click all of them that I have done, and I'm going to delete them. So that way they don't show up the next time I want to link something, because it won't be there. It's only going to show me the blogs that I still need to write. I can go to completed blogs and you can see that they're all there. And I'm going to go ahead and delete those because this was just for the tutorial. Now, if you are serious about blogging and you want to make blogging easier, I highly recommend joining Teacher Boss Society. You can join by going to www.teacherbosssociety.com. And once you join, you will be added to our school group and you will have immediate access to the blogging challenge, which is going to walk you through exactly how to set up your blog. I will put the link here for you. Go ahead, check it out. I will see you guys all in Teacher Boss Society. And if there are any other tutorials that you want to see, let me know in the comments. I know this was very time consuming to set up, but all you have to do now is type in the blog ideas that you have. And when you get a new blog, you can open up your phone, write it in there. And then when you go to your to-do list and you're making your to-do list, you can actually see exactly what blogs you still have to write. And you can put those exact blogs on your to-do list by linking those together. Hopefully this was helpful, and I will see you guys all later.